Guys, so working from the Starbucks Cafe Dubai, Dubai Beach, basically. So here we have the Go High Level Auto Insurance Snapshot for you, which has done for you websites, done for you funnels, done for you entire automation. As you can see, these are the websites, which I'm going to show you how the inside of the website actually looks like. You have the done for you funnels, and you have the done for you entire automation. Basically, automation is to run the entire thing. That means, let's say somebody just books appointment, what sort of sequence should happen? Let's say somebody just DMs through the Instagram, what sort of sequence through happen? DMs through Facebook or any other platform, cancels the appointment, what sort of sequence should be happening? No show, books the appointment but does not show up, and then there is a opt out, or probably you have to nurture for the long term. So all these things, all these possibilities are out there with the Go High Level, and with this snapshot. And of course, you're going to get this snapshot completely free. Let me just quickly open the website. Like let's say the first website, let us try to open. And of course, I'm going to tell you how do you get this snapshot completely free. This one is like automated enhancement service, right? And the second one was just the simple automated. So based on what you require, like you can just choose the website and edit it as per your need. As you can see, this is the home page. There we have the home page, and you can just, instead of opening it, you can just open the editor window, put the client's logo and all the details. Like you want to change any of the things, you can just change any of the image, you can just change, right? Now all these things having said that, let me just quickly show you like how do you get this entire snapshot set. But not just this, like you are going to get so many more more things. Like all you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahi.com/snapshots, and you either sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Go High Level using our link over there on the website, or you sign up for the upgrade for the $297 plan, or upgrade for the $497 plan. All three things, either of the three things, if you do whichever thing that you do, we are going to send you the entire 127 snapshot set, exclusive ones, including all the new ones, which people are paying thousands of dollars for just one snapshot. And these are like 127 snapshot worth $14,000 plus you're going to get. But this is not the only thing that you're going to get. You're going to get one-to-one personal WhatsApp support with me. Like I will form a WhatsApp group between you, me, and my expert, and we are going to arrange the call for you and do all the onboarding setup. And not just that, you want to get a website developed, we will develop website, funnel develop, we'll develop the funnel. You want to do the automation, we are going to do the automation. All these things we are going to do it all for you. So just make sure that you do it, you sign up using our link. But let's say you haven't signed up using our link, still you wanted the snapshot, that 127 snapshot set. Then we have introduced a new way, which is like the easiest one. Anybody can do that. And in the next 30, like 10-20 seconds, you can do that. All you have to do is just go to your agency settings, and within AI employee, just put our code AI bonuses. Let me just show you where is the AI employee. You just click on the settings, and within the settings, you have the AI employee, and within AI employee, just click on the manage offers. And here you just have to put AI bonuses, and that's it. Just click apply. And the moment that you do that, like it is on us to deliver you the entire bonus set, 127 snapshot, as I just promised. I mean, the best you can do after that, just to quicken up the process, just email me at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. We'll try to make it as fast as possible. So having said that, let us just jump onto the individual websites available with this as well. So, okay, this is the funnel. Let us just try to open the website. Okay, I already opened the first one, right? The five page website. Let's try to open the second website. This one is automated. So there's a home page, appointment page, thank you page. So how does the home page looks like in this case? So based on your requirement, you can use either of the website, like home auto insurance. For this, let us help you get the next car, and then the cars photos, browsing inventory, feature listing. This is the standard template for it. So you can just replace, like let's say the testimonial side and everything, replace your own thing based on your own requirement, or you can just like remove certain sections and put your own sections. So that will be super amazing. And within the appointments, as you can see, anybody who wants to book the appointment can be booked. And even the calendars are there inside. All you have to do is just put your available timings, right? Or like the timings is not set. So that's why like with the form is not there. So there you go, sales op calendar. So you just click on the edit and you can just set the timing as per your need. And the form is also available. So everything is available with this. Let us now, I mean, you even have the all the funnels. We just quick walk through two of the websites, and then we had like more websites as well, and as well as the funnel. Let us just try to walk through the automation part. So here's the auto insurance automation. As you can see, this one is for the all the inbound DMs that you receive. Let's say from the chat widget you receive any DM, what sort of sequence should happen? From the Facebook Messenger, from the Google My Business Messenger, from the Instagram DM, from missed call text back, from tap to text, web form, or the Zapier. Either of the things, and what sort of sequence of events should happen, like how the lead should be getting the email and the nurturing after that. And then let's say this one is like the appointment, normal appointment reminder and cancellation. Let's say somebody just booked the appointment, so how does the sequence of reminder happens so that they happen to show up? I mean, it works like a professional way. So you have this trigger of the appointment and then remove from all the workflows. And then there is an internal notification from email and then to, yeah. So this one, congratulations, you're this lead, just put the appointment. This is the start date, this is the end date, yeah. And then you have the create the opportunity. By default, an opportunity is created and a value you can set. Then a confirmation. The internal is for the team itself. The home auto insurance team will be getting this notification, but this confirmation is for the person who just booked the appointment. Because for the person, it would be like 2 days before one more reminder will be sent, 24 hours before one more reminder will be sent, and 1 hour before one more reminder will be sent. This is like, let's say thousands of people are booking appointment, thousands of people will go through the same process, like in a professional way, things to happen. So there we have this automation. Let us try to see more automations, like what more sequence things are there. Similarly, let's say the cancellation happens if somebody booked the appointment but did the cancellation, then what sort of sequence of events should happen? Then you have the nurturing, like free quote, any of the lead comes, how the nurturing is going to happen. That is decided by us. And then home auto insurance free quote, and then this one, no show. Somebody books appointment but does not show up. What sort of sequence of events should happen? Everything, all these things will be decided with this. And somebody just opts out. And let's say somebody sends the stop message that do not disturb. What sort of sequence of event should happen? So all the permutation and combination, the website, funnels, everything is there for the auto insurance. It will be really helpful for you guys. So definitely, like as I told you, like we are giving it completely free. Not just this snapshot, like 127 snapshot. Just go to the website abdullahzai.com/snapshots, and over there either sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. Now, having said that, you can even do the AI bonuses entry, as I just said, and still you'll be getting the entire snapshot. I'll pop up the email link, abdullah@abdullahzai.com, so that any questions you can just quickly connect to me. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because
They do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahi.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahi.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.